Artificial intelligence, AI, is a computer system that is able to think for itself and make decisions based on the data it is being fed. AI uses the technology of machine learning in order to learn, to build, and to evolve. It combines analysis, implementation, and development of methods to allow accomplishment of complex tasks. It has the ability to process immeasurable depths of information in an extremely quick time, faster and more efficiently than human minds. AI is able to perform in real time, personalize offers and improve customer experiences. Have you ever spoken to Siri? What is the Australian dollar compared to the American dollar?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the Australian dollar compared to the American dollar.
Have you used Google Translate lately? Have you ever connected with a long-time friend with Facebook suggestions? Has Spotify provided you recommendations based on your user experience? Have you had Nike on Demand sending you messages like a personal trainer to help you achieve your fitness goals? If you have experienced any of these, then you have already interacted with AI. IBM's Watson is an example of an AI system. Watson is a question-answering computer system that finds answers and insights by analysing volumes of structured and unstructured data. Watson provides answers in real time and in any language. The market for technologies of or related to artificial intelligence is bound to increase up to $40 billion by the year 2020. Chatbots will power 85% of all customer service interactions by 2020. "51% of marketers are leveraging the power of AI to obtain valuable insights about their customers, automate tasks, and improve workflows." "27% are expected to incorporate the technology by 2019. AI is advancing rapidly into data generation. Taking insights from media like voice and video, humans no longer have to manually categorize or describe various types of media. AI-enhanced analytics will help brands proactively plan and execute more efficiently campaigns in 3 areas: segmentation, tracking, keyword tagging. "64% of brands say that AI has greatly or substantially increased their overall marketing efficiency." 61% of marketing leaders expect AI to have a substantial or transformational impact on hyper-personalization of content over the next 5 years. "75% of companies rate CRM system as a very important data source of their AI strategy." "48% of marketers reported that personalization on their websites or apps lifted revenues in excess of 10%. AI is an opportunity to automating or augmenting many decision-making tasks in real time, more accurately, consistently, 24/7, and using more facts. Why wouldn't AI be part of your marketing strategy?